Hello everyone, please enjoy the presentation brought by our group, and here is our group members. The industry that our group members have conceived is our school, the National University of Malaysia. And there are our basic structures. Now let our members introduce them to you.
IS Application Development, my UKM Campus Network, Application Content and Advantages. It has a high-speed broadband connection to meet the needs of a large number of users, accessing the internet at the same time. This ensures students, staff, and visitors have fast and stable access to the internet, covering all areas of the entire campus, including teaching buildings, libraries, student dormitories, laboratories, and all of the buildings, ensuring that users can access the network anywhere. In addition to wired network connections, wireless network coverage is also provided, allowing users to connect to the network through wireless devices such as laptop, smartphones, tablets, and else. Requires authentication to use. You can follow campus website, application content and advantages. It contains various information about the school, such as school introduction, departmental settings, faculty and staff list, academic courses, admissions information, and academic calendar activities, campus news, and else. To meet the various information needs of teachers, students, alumni, and the public, display the school's culture, tradition, and spiritual outlook, including school motto, school song, school emblem, campus scenery, pictures, and else, as well as the school's values and development concepts. Contains the corresponding course information for the student's professional level, including teaching content, time notifications, task management, and homework interaction, online exams, and else. The limitations. The network signal coverage area is insufficient, resulting in the inability of normal network connection in some areas. Network equipment can be updated. Need higher network speeds are needed to meet users' high bandwidth needs for high definition videos, online games, and other things. Need a simpler way to authenticate your identity.
Now let me introduce the proposal improvements of IS modules. Student Information Management manages students' basic information, course registration, student status management, performance records, including the establishment, update, and the query of students' files. Faculty Information Management manages the basic information, professional titles, work experience, assessment records of faculty and staff, including the management and the maintenance of teacher files. Course Management manage course information, course arrangements, course content, textbook selection, including the preparation and adjustment of course plans. Teaching Management support the organization, arrangement, and the supervision of teaching activities, including the formulation of teaching plans, arrangement of classroom teaching, teaching evaluation and feedback. Score Management record and manage student test scores, homework scores, experiment scores, and support the statistics analysis and the release of scores. Student Status Management manage students' enrollment, registration, measure transfer, suspension of study, withdrawal, and other student status changes of ensure the irrelevancy of completeness of student status information. Financial Management manage the school's financial revenue and expenditure, accounting expense management, including tuition fees, education expenditures, and generation and analyzes the financial statements. Library Management manage the library's book collection information, borrowing records, collection management, and support functions such as book retrieval and borrowing reservations. Dormitory management manage the allocation, check-in and check-out of students' dormitories, including dormitory fee management, dormitory facility maintenance, campus activity management, organize and manage various campus activities, including academic lectures, artistic performance, support competitions, and support functions such as event planning, registration management, and venue reservation.
Input, process, output, feedback loop. Input stage. Students, faculty, staff, and administrator authenticated by entering a username and password through the system login interface. Administrators enter, edit, and update information about students, faculty, courses, grades through the backend management interface. Students query course information, grade information, personal files through the student interface. Faculty and staff can view course schedules, student lists, teaching plans through the teacher interface. Processing stage. The system receives and verifies the identity information entered by the user, determines the user's role, and authorizes the corresponding permission. Based on the user request, the system retrieves relevant information from the database and performs necessary data processing and calculations. The system executes corresponding functional models according to user permission and requests, such as student information management, course management, performance management, athletic.
Output stage. The system generates and displays information required by students, faculty, staff, or administrators, such as course list, transcripts, personal profiles, and more. The system outputs the operation result to the user interface, including successful operation prompts, error message prompts. Students, faculty, or administrators can make future operations or decisions based on the information output by the system. Feedback state. User provide corresponding feedback based on the information output by the system, including satisfaction with system functions and suggestions for improvement. The system collects user feedback information and make corresponding judgments and optimizations based on the feedback information to improve system performance and user experience. System administrators can regularly analyze user feedback information, formulate improvement plans, and perform system updates and maintenance.